to our channel. I am Niyamat Nadir for Gemini Properties, and today we are at one of the most beautiful developments by the Vascon Engineering Limited, that is Citron. Citron already has their first phase completed with 2 buildings, and they're coming up with 2 more. So it is going to be a fun tour today, and it will be a pleasure taking you all along. So before we start the tour, it gives me immense pleasure in introducing Vascon Company all over again. They have a beautiful legacy of over 3 decades under the leadership of Mr. R. Vasudevan. They have delivered projects around 50 million square feet and have 200 projects all over India. They have beautiful families living happily, and they are around 18,000. Isn't that amazing? That is some achievement by them. Speaking about the projects made by them, they have the Forest County, that is a big landmark in Kharadi. You go to Kharadi and you ask about Forest County, you know where it is. They have Zotek in Hinjawadi. They have Marigold, the famous Marigold in Kalyani Nagar, developed by the Vascon Group. Golden Nest in Kalyani Nagar. 10 Lux, one of the most luxury projects in Pune, developed by the Vascon Company. They have Ivy Glen in Kalyani Nagar, Willows in Baner, and Windermere in Koregaon Park. They have a huge spread all over Pune. Speaking about the commercial sector, they have the Orchid, the Hyatt, and the Novotel developed by them, and the Symbiosis International College is also made by the Vascon Group. They have a huge and a very famous hospital made by them, that is the Sahyadri Hospital, and the most famous pharmacy, that is the Cipla Pharmacy, also developed by the Vascon Company. So now it's time for me to introduce you all to somebody from the Vascon Company who is handling the Citron Phase 2, that is Mr. Shashank Rao. Please. How are you?
Good.
We also have another executive, that is Ankita, who will be joining us today, explaining more about the project. Please, Ankita. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very good. How are you?
I'm good too. So, Shashank, please tell me, how has it been working with Vascon?
Yeah, it's been a great experience till now. And speaking about Vascon, as you know, Vascon is one of the leading developers in Pune,
Yes.
and one of the only 2 listed companies in Pune. So the name and the reputation of our company is quite big.
Right.
And being a renowned builder, so it's been a great experience down the line.
Right. And what about you, Ankita? Do you enjoy working with Vascon?
Yes, I'm definitely enjoying the working with Vascon. It's a great experience. Like the learning, customer handling is so very great, and the project about like Citron is like it's full of with enjoyment, full of learning, and like unlearning so many experiences with Citron.
Right. Okay. So, Shashank, tell us something very, very fascinating about Citron. Tell me something about the location.
Okay. So our project, it's 1.8 kilometers from the Nagar Highway.
Okay.
So because of the connectivity, as you go with the connectivity, it's very feasible enough, and with the IT parks around the area, so it's been a prime location for many end users.
Right.
So, and for the investment purpose also, you can say this is a very ideal location.
Okay, so y'all already have phase 1 completed, right? Y'all are working on the second phase right now.
Yes, we have delivered our phase 1 4 years back.
Okay.
And more than 144 families are happily living.
Wow.
And also with the amenities delivered, and because of the demand and we are coming up with a phase 2.
Wow.
So phase 2, and also with the amenities delivered, our phase 2 is going to be delivered in the next 18 months, you can say.
Wow. Okay,
So
that's now.
yes, it's really a very short time. So we are really going to come. We are really going to come up with a project.
Right. Okay. So you say you have families living here happily already. You think that the new phase is going to be a better version of the phase 1, or is it going to be similar?
No, definitely there are really good upgradations into that, with the construction quality, with more families being added on,
Right.
with more than 250 plus flats.
Wow.
So, and it is one of the biggest high-rise building in Wagholi, you can say, with
Okay.
basement plus 15 floors. So definitely it's going to be a more beautiful project than the phase one.
Phase one.
Yeah.
Okay. So Ankita, tell us something about Citron. What is your idea? What do you think is this project?
Okay, like about we are looking in the current location of the Bagholi, this location is going to be a develop. It's going to be a super developing future. So like we are coming up with a Citron. So like if the people are looking for the buying the property, like this is the best project we can say.
Okay.
Because like if you see like as Shashank has told us like 144 families are staying there in happily. So like the community like the people are staying, they are like well educated, well communicated. So the society is also like
You say it was one of the best projects by you and
Yes.
you're happy handling it, right?
Yes.
So could you please also emphasize on how Wagholi is as a location? Because when I think of Pune, I generally think of Kalyani Nagar, Koregaon Park, Viman Nagar. But now Wagholi is in the list. So what is it that you have seen grow in Wagholi?
Yes, speaking about Wagholi, 4 years down the line, Wagholi was struggling. But now, as due to the development, it has turned into one of the hot spot
Yes.
for many IT people as in Kharadi due to the road connectivity, you could
Right.
say. And has been on the right bank on the Keshavan Road. So, and as the construction of the roads being proper. So, this property is turning out into a really good investment, you could say.
Right. Okay, so I believe that if I still want to buy a property, a very high-end property, would you suggest Wagholi as one of those locations now?
Yeah, definitely. As see, many people, IT people who are coming from other states.
Right.
So if they are looking for an investment purpose, so we have range, quite a good range of 1 BHKs, 2 BHKs,
Right.
and definitely if we have higher upgradations as well. So depending on the budget, we can definitely give you the product.
Okay. So Ankita, tell me, what type of families do you think will be happy over here? You think, will it be a family? You think bachelors will be happier? You think kids are going to be more happy because of the amenities you all are offering?
yes, as you mentioning like that as I already mentioned, like we are having a 140 plus happy families are staying there. If you are looking about their professionals, they are like pilots, they are working as a good position in the corporate companies as well as air hostess. Like this kind of communities, they are already staying here. So
Okay.
we are also getting so many reference for our phase 2 as well. So like this community and like the standard, it's like we are going to be having phase 2 as well.
Okay.
And about like you are asking about this children's and about the IT park. So like people are working in the office in the general timing, like in official timing, and after that like people wants to enjoy their nightlife. So like even if you see like Kalyani Nagar and even Phoenix Mall and the bars and everything is like nearby to our project. So like this is people can enjoy their work life as well and their professional and personal life as well,
As well.
along with their friends, along with their family. So like every kind of things we can see around in the Wagholi.
Right. Okay, so now that your construction has started for phase 2, I'm sure a lot of people are very excited to buy it, right? So, what is it that you all are looking for when you see a prospect? Do you all directly just, start working towards it, or you all make sure that they know what they're getting into? Is it like a process you all follow, or is it just that come by and we are all good?
No, speaking about the process, we have a dedicated team for each and every phase.
Right.
Like starting from the site visit, we are here to help.
Okay.
We brief them about our project.
Right.
We give them a tour as well of our project, giving our amenities, then showing them the construction as well. Then we come to the talking terms on sitting on the table. That is the data part. First you have to be accustomed to the client.
Right.
Otherwise, that is that we are creating a relationship
Right.
with them. It's just not like selling a property.
Yeah.
Because they are going to, because people don't buy home like multiple
Yeah,
times.
they just
It's
want a
one
home.
time
Yeah.
investment. So definitely
Definitely.
we create that environment and that relationship with our clients. Yeah.
That is great. I'm sure all our clients already know how Vascon works and they are a beautiful company. It is going to be a pleasure to take you guys around and I would love to see the project. I would love to see the amenities.
Definitely.
So let's go and take more knowledge from these guys because it's a plus point for us.
Sure.
Let's go. This video is not only about a property tour, but I am going to give you a little insight about the Vascon engineers. So Vascon engineers have a lot of projects in collaboration with the Manisha Construction who help them with their constructions. And we have a very senior person from the Manisha Construction, that is Mr. Chandrasekhar Patil. He is going to let us know how Manisha Construction has grown with the Citron as a project. So sir, please join us.
थँक यू नमस्कार
नमस्ते.
बोला
कैसे हो सर आप?
मी फार छान आहे तुम्ही कसे आहात
मी पण फार छान आहे.
अरे वा वा. फार छान मराठी बोलता तुम्ही
येते मला पण थोडी थोडी. तर सर सांगा आम्हाला काय मनीषा कन्स्ट्रक्शन काय आहे आणि वॅस्कॉन कंपनी काय आहे?
मनीषा कन्स्ट्रक्शन ही फार सुंदर कन्स्ट्रक्शन कंपनी आहे. त्यांनी खूप चांगले घरं दिलेले आहेत लोकांना राहायला फार छान सुंदर आणि त्यांचे लोक सुद्धा जे घर घेतलेले आहेत ते सुद्धा फार सॅटिस्फाईड आहेत सुखी आहेत आणि सारखं फोन करतात मैत्री करतात म्हणजे आमची मैत्री झालेली म्हणजे लोकांबरोबर आमची मैत्री झाली ते आमचे एक फॅमिलीचे एक भाग झालेले असे आमचे मनीषा कन्स्ट्रक्शनचे डायरेक्टर मिस्टर राजन खिनवसरा आणि अभिषेक खिनवसरा हे दोघं जण मिळून फार छान काम करत आहेत.
ये तो हम सबको दिखता है. आई मीन जो भी प्रोजेक्ट्स है वो इतने ब्यूटीफुली बनते हैं कि पता नहीं. आई मीन एक टाइम वास्कॉन के साथ काम कर लो तो ऐसा होता है उनके साथ ही सब डील्स हुए. तो सर बताइए क्या है ऐसी चीज वास्कॉन के बारे में जो मनीषा कंस्ट्रक्शन उनके साथ काम करती रहती है?
बरोबर आहे वॅस्कॉन आणि मनीषा कन्स्ट्रक्शन हे दोघांनी मिळून एक जॉईंट व्हेंचर करून चेरी कन्स्ट्रक्शन प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड कंपनी स्थापन केली आणि ह्या कंपनीच्या अंतर्गत हे कन्स्ट्रक्शन करतात. सिट्रॉन फेज 1 आमचं ए आणि बी बिल्डिंग आहे ज्याच्यामध्ये आम्ही सगळे फ्लॅट विकून झाले फक्त आता सध्या फक्त 2च राहिलेले पण सगळे विकून झालेत आणि एका वेळेस आम्ही पूर्णपणे 80% विकलं होतं त्यावेळेस. आम्ही हे प्रोजेक्ट सुरू केलं 2012 मध्ये कम्प्लिशन म्हणजे त्याचं कमेन्समेंट आलं आणि त्याच्यानंतर काम सुरू झालं आणि लोकांना फार आवडलं. हा प्रोजेक्ट हवेशीर आहे क्रॉस व्हेंटिलेशन आहे आणि भरपूर काय काय त्याच्यामध्ये अम्युनिटीज आता आम्ही देतो. मल्टीपर्पज हॉल आहे कोर्ट आहे जिम आहे स्विमिंग पूल आहे आणि आवारा तुम्ही बघाल तर 70% ओपन एअर आहे. झाडी आहे तुम्ही वेगवेगळे प्रकारची झाडं आहेत इथं तुम्ही बघाल तर आम्ही बाहेरच्या साईडला सुद्धा सुंदर झाडं लावलेत जी फ्युचरमध्ये लोकांना फार आवडणार आहे. त्यांना ते छाया देणार किंवा जे काय असेल ते त्यांचं एक रिलेशन होणार आहे त्याच्याबद्दल.
अच्छा तो सर और बताइए ये जो सिट्रॉन फेज 2 है इसका काम कहाँ तक पहुँचा है और ये आप कब तक लगता है रेडी हो जाएगा?
सिट्रॉन फेज 2 अभी इट इज ग्रोइंग नाउ. ये अच्छा हो रहा है अभी 3rd फ्लोर तक इसका काम चालू हो गया है.
तो
3rd फ्लोर तक और इनका है कि मुझे लगता है अभी 1.5-2 साल में कंप्लीट हो जाएगा एंड पीपल विल बी हैप्पी टू गेट द पोजीशन इन टाइम.
इतना तो पता है मेरे को कि आपकी कंपनी को वास्कॉन के साथ काम करके बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
राइट.
क्या यही एक्सपीरियंस आपके क्लाइंट्स को भी मिलता है?
यस दे लव मींस वास्कॉन के तो दीवाने हैं वो. They have taken many flats from Vascon also.
Yes.
And we also have a good relation with Vasudevan sir and Rajan sir. They are very much friendly to each other. They join in their parties and all activities whichever they join together.
Yes.
Therefore, we like Vascon and Vascon is a good product which they are also giving individually and we are doing it jointly with Manisha.
वो तो उनके प्रोजेक्ट्स में ही दिखता है. इतने प्यारे लोग इतने प्यारे प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं उनके. So I'm sure you guys must be having a very nice experience with
Sure.
Yeah.
Working with them, we have a lot of experience and we enjoy working with them. कभी भी उनसे मुलाकात भी हो जाए तो we feel much energetic.
Right.
मिलने से अच्छा लगता है.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a pleasure speaking to you, and you are a very nice soul. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
being
very
a part
much.
of our group. Thank you
very
so
much.
much.
हाय. सो आता आम्ही इकडे आपण नगर हायवेवरती उभे आहोत. हा रोड सरळ अहमदनगरला जातो आणि इकडे आपण राईट घेतलं तर 1.8 किलोमीटर्सवरती आपली साईट आहे सिट्रॉन. हा केसनल पाटा आहे. केसनल पाट्यावरनं राईट घेतला तर आपली साईट येते. ॲज सेट समोर अहमदनगर आहे. बॅक साईडला जर तुम्ही गेलात तर बॅक साईडला विमाननगर खराडी रेल्वे स्टेशन अँड एअरपोर्ट आहे. चला आता आपण आपल्या साईटवरती जाऊ. तो हम ये रोड से आए हैं. ये रोड है केशनन रोड. वाघोली फाटा से जो हमने राइट लिया था, यहाँ से हम केशनन रोड से अभी हम हमारे साइड के सामने खड़े हैं. दिस रोड गो स्ट्रेट टू द केशनन विलेज. एंड एक जो चौक आता है, चौक से अगर तुम लेफ्ट लोगे तो वो नगर हाईवे पे कनेक्ट होता है. एंड इफ यू टेक अ राइट थेऊर से इट कनेक्ट टू द सोलापुर हाईवे. सो आई टेक यू टू द प्रॉपर्टी हमारे प्रोजेक्ट में.
So hi everyone. So we are going to take a tour for a Citron. Let's go.
Let's start. तो अभी हम जहाँ खड़े हैं ये एंट्रेंस है, राइट?
Yes.
और हमारे सामने ही भारतीय संस्कृति दर्शन ट्रस्ट है. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी वेरी बिग लैंडमार्क फॉर वाघोली. तो अब चलते हैं अंदर एंड यू कैन एक्सप्लेन द प्रोजेक्ट टू अस.
For sure. Let's go.
थैंक यू सो मच.
So you can see the entrance of our project. You can see it's well constructed, well managed. You can see the trees, the varieties of trees. You can see here.
And the road is also constructed so well.
Yes.
So the whole project is very green, right? Throughout it's very green.
Yes. So we are going to the entrance. We are going to start have a look of our project. So you can see the more 40 plus varieties of land, varieties of trees.
So this road can be used for running and everything by your youngsters in the society, right?
Yes, already our amenities is covered with the jogging track.
Oh wow.
So, and more than 70% of open space. So, there's quite a lot of space in our project because it's a total land parcel is 7.5 acres and only 4 buildings.
That's
so you
so
can imagine the open space is quite enough, and you don't need to go out for any jogging or gymnasium. Everything can be found in our project.
That's really beautiful. And I love the stretch. The whole walk from there till the project is really beautiful.
Yeah, means the road construction, it's been delivered 4 years back. Then the society is well maintained.
Yes, it
You can
definitely
see,
is.
because till the time of our new construction, then more trees and more boundaries and everything will be added on. So
Right.
it will be a really beautiful project.
And how about the water supply?
Water supply, as you know, it's been already sanctioned, and till the time of possession, there will be a running water
Okay.
in your homes as well.
That's really great.
जैसे आपने पूछा यहाँ पे पानी जो है अभी टैंकर से हम लोग मंगवाते हैं. So as the possession जब तक possession मिलेगा तब तक we are going to get PMC का running water जो है वो हमारे हर यूनिट में हम लोग प्रोवाइड करेंगे. So जैसे ही गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंस किया है कि वाघोली is going to become under PMC. So till the time possession आपका water का you will get the running water.
We have already paid like 17,000 per unit.
Wow.
PMRD. So till time of possession, there is no need of water because Wagholi is facing water crisis
Right.
currently. But till our new project will be there, that will also be safe.
So I think right now we have already reached phase 1.
Yes, this is the phase one. This has been delivered 4 years back.
Wow.
So as said, more than 144 families are currently staying.
Right.
So
And it's a very very tall building.
yeah, it's ground plus 12 stories high.
Okay.
And the new project will be having basement plus 15. So,
Wow.
Yeah,
That's going to be taller now.
yeah, taller now, yes.
Okay, so looking at phase 1, phase 2 really looks promising already.
Yeah, definitely. When you have a overview from the above, you'll get the idea. You'll get the look and feel of the project.
Okay, that's really great. So let's go have a look.
Sure.
ahead.
Yeah. So अभी जो हम लोग खड़े हैं वो सेल्स ऑफिस के पास खड़े हैं. So like which is exactly parallel to this concrete floor, or this is also the part of our amenity. Yes. So let's go. We are going to be show you the amenities part of our project. Let's go. Let's go. You can see the sales office.
This is currently the sales office now, but later on it will be converted into a clubhouse, indoor clubhouse, which once the sales are done, we'll hand over to the society.
That's really
Yeah,
good.
and besides that, we have the gymnasium as well as the swimming pool
Okay.
and open rooftop as well. Yeah,
So right now we're going to go see the amenities, right?
yeah, we'll show you the green space, all the construction, as well as the party lawn.
Okay. So all this is a beautiful green patch right next to the sales office.
Yes,
And I can see a bigger one there.
yes. We means like many marriage functions, any birthday parties or anything, we can keep that or keep in that. Just you have to take the permission of the society. That's it.
So you don't have to go spend out so much and get a big
Yes.
lawn for your
Yeah,
functions.
Definitely, more
Oh
than
my
100,
God.
150 people can be accommodated in this party
That
lawn.
is huge.
Because we have the gardeners and everyone taking care of this party lawn, so it has to be maintained. So sprinklers and everything has been provided.
Wow, and this is what was constructed 4 years back, right?
Yes.
So it's pretty well maintained. And what about the lights? They go on on the evening?
Evening, yes. We have the power backup for the common areas. So whenever there is a power cut, then definitely this common areas are being taken care of.
That's amazing. I can see a kids play area.
Yes, exactly to the party lawn is a toddlers area. And then we have a multi-purpose court.
Okay.
Then besides that we have kids play area as well. Then as you can see it has been covered with the jogging track.
Yes.
Then we are also provided the Kit Kat corner. You can say like senior citizen corner.
The gossip corner.
Yes. For ladies, like especially called as a
So
gossip.
mothers can come, the kids can have a time and mothers can sit and they can have a chat as well.
Guys, this is designed so well. There is like a proper sitting space for the elders while the kids play, and also a nice platform made if there's some Diwali or Ganpati happening. People can come perform your sitting
Amphitheater
arrangement.
type, yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
There's sitting arrangement over there. So parents are going to be happy. And also I noticed one more thing. Even though there's such a harsh sunlight over here, it is restricted by the building. So this kids area is never going to be hot.
Yes, definitely. Kids will have a good time over here.
Definitely.
Even parents can also have a watch on their kids while they are playing.
Yeah, I'm loving the gossip corner. I can imagine all aunties sitting here in the evening and gossiping.
Definitely, they can even have a look from their balconies as well.
Yes.
So the kids are never out of their sight, you can say.
And also, that is where the second phase is coming up, right?
Yes, that is our second phase. These are the barricades which later on will be removed, and this whole amenities will be in the center, and our project building will be surrounding those. Yeah.
Oh, so beautiful. So everybody will directly be looking at the amenities.
Yes, right. At the amenities. So, and as you can see, there's quite a lot of open space. So
Yes.
there's never an issue about the amenities getting exhausted or many people are using it.
Right, and also it is so windy and cool right now. Even it being 2 o'clock right now,
Yes.
I don't feel the heat. It is so breezy. I think Waguli is going to be the new breezy zone.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So now we'll go see the gym and the clubhouse.
Yeah, definitely. I'll take you.
So even you can see this kids play area जो नीचे का part है which is covered by rubber, like कि बच्चों को खेलते टाइम
लगे ना.
लगे ना, इस purpose से even we have also covered the same things in this area as well.
Wow.
So
So thoughtful. I can see so much green everywhere and it's so pleasant right now. I'm liking it.
Definitely, there's quite a lot of. We are focusing on that because 60-70% of open space. Because many builders they come up with in a short space they come up with many tenants.
Right.
Then definitely that you don't get that feel of being into the part of the society or family. But I said many less tenants, 144 plus 258 flats. So
Right.
it's very less you can say.
And how about the square feet area? What is the square feet area you guys are offering to our clients?
Yeah, we have two variants. 1 BHK is 470 square feet.
Okay.
And 2 BHK will be 656 square feet.
That's nice.
And,
That's
we
spacious.
have another one option if someone wants a bigger carpet area. So we can merge one BHK and 2 BHK.
Okay.
And that can result into a 3 BHK of around 1095 square feet.
Okay.
As you can see, this is the multi-purpose hall.
Wow.
So this can be also
Ceremony or something happening here.
within a week's time. We have stay in the
Favorite.
yeah. They are arranging a marriage over here.
Oh, wow. I mean, it's a very nice space.
Yes, definitely. And it is covered with the air conditioning as well. So
Right, right.
no problem with the summers as well.
Oh, and that's the swimming pool.
Currently, it's not in use because of the COVID situation. But as soon as you get the permission, it will be operational.
This must feel so good. Imagine having a function here, the pool over here, kids can play around. It is just perfect. I think the planning is out of this world.
Yes, and we have changing rooms for men's and women's for the swimming pool as well. So,
Oh, great. So they will have to change and come from their house. They can use it.
and we have separated the swimming pool and you can see these small kids. So we have given a boundary. So safety concern is also taken care of. So this if the kids wander, they won't have the access to the swimming pool.
Right.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful. Very well planned.
Yes, definitely. So I'll take you around the sales office. Later on, as I said, will be
But just a second. Is this where we go for the
for
pool?
the swimming pool,
Okay.
right? This is the only entry and the exit point. So as I said, for the kids,
Boundary.
yeah, there's a boundary given. So also the security will be there. So definitely that is not going to be an issue.
But right now it's not functional because of COVID.
Because of the COVID, yeah. But soon it will be started. So as I enter, this is our sales office. As you can see, we have for the positivity and vascularizing, this is our temple area. You can
So
say,
pretty.
yeah, and this is our sales office.
So what all is going to be here? If you say this is going to be a clubhouse, what all type of indoor games are going to be?
Yes, we can say table tennis, then carom, then also chess, and then we have one soccer, indoor soccer game that has been kept in our gymnasium. That will be also later on added over here.
Okay, great.
Yeah. So this is our sales office. This is where we sit with our client and we give them the briefing about our project. And once they are done with that, we take them to the open rooftop and then we show them the project from the above, so they get to know the project as well.
Oh, so I heard an open roof, right?
Yeah,
open
open
rooftop.
rooftop, yeah.
Can we go have a look at that? I'm very excited.
Sure,
Yeah,
definitely.
let's go.
There are basic equipments are already added up, but we'll be adding more equipments into it.
But honestly, you know, with times like COVID where all the gyms and all the workout places are shut, this is a really good benefit to your customers.
Yeah, because our facility management team, they take care of all the cleaning and sanitization as well.
Okay, so that is also going
yeah,
on
that
now.
is also going on. So as I said, this is the indoor, this soccer game which will be going down.
Oh, I know this is this foosball, right?
Yeah, football, right?
Yay.
Yeah.
This is a fun game to play. Not many societies have this.
Yeah, definitely, because maintenance is the issue, because otherwise kids they
Play and
they break and yeah, that is it.
But that means you have good families living here.
Yeah, definitely. We have many people from different castes, like Maharashtrian, you can say, South Indian, North Indian, everyone. So it's a mixed cultured family.
That's really well.
So I'll just take you to the open rooftop, as I said, and you can have a look at the project as well. These are plates that are just coming up.
Wow. I can see the entire project from here.
Yes, you can even keep your birthday parties, small birthday parties, or any function as well over here.
So people are also using this place as open dining space.
That's beautiful, yeah. And you give permission, societies don't give permission for stuff like that.
So that is our main entrance point.
That is
Yeah,
where.
we enter from there. The land beside that is also ours. That is given to PMRDA,
Okay.
which will be later on converted into either a preschool or a hospital.
Wow, so it's
Yeah.
going to be right next to your project.
Yes, yes. So, and also where the visitors parking is there, the land behind that is also ours.
Okay.
So, depending on the demand and everything, we will come up with the phase 3.
Okay, so
over
there's
there.
more demand, there might be another
Yes,
phase
yes,
coming.
yes, definitely. So this is our A and B building.
This is the A, this is the B.
B building. Yes.
We have already given the project 2 years back.
That's
But you can see the building and like the construction quality which is given by Cascom.
I also see the pipe gas connection from outside. Is that what you all will be providing in phase 2 too?
Yeah, definitely. As I said, phase 2 is the upgradation of the phase 1.
Right.
So water, pipe, gas pipeline, everything will be added on. All the modern facilities will be given.
Okay, so A and B is bang opposite B and C, right?
Yeah,
This is
C
where
and D,
it is.
right. And as I said, just outside our main road, we have a land. There is a Ayurvedic college.
Right.
They have a 40 acres of land. So
Okay.
definitely there will be no view blockage. So there will be no construction
Coming up
coming
there.
up in the opposite area.
That's
And this is the east direction. So there is a big ground over there. So that ground is also that is being used for playing cricket and all those stuff, sports activity.
That's
So there will be no construction coming up.
Right.
So from all the 4 points, you will
have
not
nice
have a
air.
and
So
view
throughout
blockage. as well.
your apartment, you just have cross ventilation
Yes,
going on,
definitely.
right?
As I can see, I'll just show you around the amenities what we have out. And then we can go to our project. Feel the air.
Yes. We are right now on, I think, on first floor. Yeah. Yes. So heaven so pretty. I can imagine the wind these guys must be feeling up there. And this phase is going to be even higher.
Higher, yes.
So it's going to be beautiful.
We are the only one who have the science center.
15 floors, yeah. Because in Pune it's difficult being a military base.
right.
It is difficult.
And as I said, airport is just nearby.
Yes.
So getting that permission is a very big task.
So you all have really managed this so well. I can see another platform over here where kids can perform and still have those space for the adults to sit.
Yes.
And then again there is one more that side. So if like a smaller gathering they can choose that, and if a bigger one they can choose this. They can have a nice wedding over here, a function, a Sangeet.
Yeah.
This is completely multi-purpose and has all the amenities I can think of here.
As I said, in a week's time we have a marriage coming up.
Yeah, so okay. And we have the pool to our right.
Yes.
But as we mentioned, like because of Corona,
Yes. It's now working right
yes.
now.
But still we have maintained this greenery area piece.
Yes, near the
pool.
pool.
Yes.
So I'll just show you around our phase 2.
Yes.
You can see the construction going on.
So this is the live status of the construction.
Now, because of the lunchtime, the construction is going on. So from the main entrance, as you can see that cabin,
Yes, that
there will be a gate coming up
Okay.
for this. And as you can see this ramps, that is the underground parking.
Oh, there's an underground park.
Underground parking. Basement plus 15 floors.
Okay.
So basement will be the underground parking, and there will on the basement there will be a podium coming up.
Okay.
So there will be a podium open parking as well.
That's really great.
Yes.
So
and-
every floor is technically just going to be apartments, and
yes.
that one floor is now going to just go away for the parking.
Right.
So you can see the ample space of parking over the sea and tower.
Right.
Yes.
And also, what is it that you all are going to give your clients? Is it going to be a fixed one car park? Is it going to be depending on how many cars you have?
No, I think we have come up with a plan. As said, 1 BHK will be having an open parking,
Okay.
and 2 BHK will have a covered parking.
Both come with one each, right?
Yes, one each. So if at all, we have some units which has tandem parking, but we need to check the inventory. As I said, it's almost 70% of the project is also sold out.
Right. So also I wanted to ask you all about what are the kind of amenities or specifications you all have in this project? Like I heard about water smoothing happening. Do you all have waste management as well?
Yes, we have sewage treatment plant as well.
Okay.
Then water softening plant as well. Then power backup we have. Then like I said, this construction you can see this is the Maiwar construction.
Right.
The Maiwar construction is very strong. You can see all the bridges. Now what are the construction? The same technology has been used
Maiwar
in our
construction.
yes. And this is the same construction quality which has been used in all our projects.
Right.
So we don't compromise with the construction as well.
I'm 100% sure about that. I trust Vascon with their constructions of 100%.
Yeah, definitely.
Beautiful, beautiful construction. And anything else that is left to see of your project?
This is what is our project is all about. So you can see, means as I have almost covered all the things you can say.
Right.
So
We are really, really looking forward to the construction, so I can come and take a video with you again, go through it, and it will be a pleasure to show the apartment as well to our customers. But I need to tell you all one thing. In my previous video with Vascon, that was the last video, I said that what they promise is what they deliver. Vascon is known for that. So seeing the phase 1, I can guarantee you guys that this is going to be one of the best picks for you in Wagholi. It is a beautiful location coming up with way more stuff than any other location in Pune.
yes, definitely. We are looking forward to it.
Yes.
So ये जो है ये नगर रोड है. नगर रोड से हम सीधे आते हुए ये जो हमारा केसलन फाटा है
Okay.
वहाँ से when we come inside 1.8 kilometers वहाँ पे हमारा साइट है सिट्रॉन.
Okay.
Alright, so this Nagar road, this goes way back, Viman Nagar, International Airport, and then also Pune railway station, which is around 13 to 14 kilometers.
Okay.
Alright, so airport and Pune railway station is within half an hour,
Okay.
half an hour to 40 minutes. Alright, so और ये जो road है सीधा नगर जाता है, अहमद नगर जाता है,
Okay.
and then from our side, as you can see, there is a one shortcut road, proposed road coming up.
Right.
It is already there, but only for two wheelers. So
Okay.
जो रोड बनेगा तो वहाँ से जो कनेक्टिविटी है वहाँ से जो खराड़ी में जो इयन IT पार्क है वहाँ की जो कनेक्टिविटी के लिए जो घूम के जाना पड़ता है जो 20-25 मिनट्स लगते हैं 30 मिनट्स
जी.
वो ये रोड बनने के बाद इट विल बी ओनली 10 to 15 मिनट्स.
Right. तो यहाँ से World Trade Center भी ये शॉर्टकट से क्लोज हो जाता है.
Yes, so your considerable time will be saved. Yeah. So ये हमारा जैसे बताया ये लोकेशन हमारा सिट्रॉन है. यहाँ से सीधा वो केसनन गांव के लिए जाता है.
Right.
So जो रोड भी है ये अभी लेटर ऑन अभी वो एक्सपांड होने वाला है 200 फीट में.
Wow.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the location, main location.
So now we are moving towards master plan. Master layout अभी हम लोग देखेंगे. ये टोटल लैंड पार्सल जो है 7 एकड़ का लैंड पार्सल है जिसमें हम लोगों के ऑलरेडी टोटल 4 टावर अभी होने वाले हैं. 2 आर ऑलरेडी रेडी पोजीशन और अभी जो आ रहे हैं जो C और D टावर आ रहे हैं.
Right.
सो लाइक दिस इज आवर मेन एंट्रेंस जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने इंट्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट किया था. दिस इज आवर मेन एंट्रेंस जहाँ से हम लोग आके वी कैन लाइक अपने यहाँ पे गाड़ी पार्क किया होगा. राइट नाउ वी आर सिटिंग इन आवर क्लब हाउस. दिस स्पेस इज गोइंग टू बी यूज एज अ इंडोर गेम स्पेस.
Right.
या हमारे ऊपर ही है वो फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जिम्नाशियम है. सामने जो है वो मल्टीपर्पज पार्टी हॉल है. साइड में ही हमारा स्विमिंग पूल है और उसके बाद हमारा पार्टी लॉन है जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा वेदर हम लोगों ने फील किया. सो दिस इज द आवर पार्टी लॉन.
Okay.
उसके साइड में जो हम लोगों ने देखा था टॉडलर एरिया विद ऑल सेफ्टी ऑफ द ग्राउंड. उसके बाद ही हम लोगों का मल्टीपर्पज कोर्ट है. साइड में चिट चैट कॉर्नर, गॉसिप कॉर्नर, सीनियर सिटीजन कॉर्नर, तो सारे कॉर्नर यहाँ पे ही है. और एज वेल एज यहाँ पे जो है किड्स प्ले एरिया हमारा यहाँ पे है.
और ये जो 10 नंबर है ये वो ओपन रूफ है, राइट?
नो 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 मैम, एक्चुअली 10 नंबर जो है दिस इज अ पार्टी लाइक पार्टी स्टेज यू कैन से.
ओके ओके.
यस. और यहाँ पे जो है ये रूफटॉप है जहाँ से हम लोगों ने आपको पूरा व्यू दिखाया था.
Right.
सो दिस इज द स्पेस ऑफ द ओपन रूफटॉप.
ओके.
यस. सो wherever I cross, this is our ready infrastructure we are having in our project.
तो ये
Yes,
यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक अभी सब कुछ रेडी है.
सब कुछ रेडी है.
ओके.
हमारा पूरा amenities part है which is already covered with our jogging track. और जैसे ए और बी बिल्डिंग जो है ऑलरेडी रेडी पोजीशन में हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी वीडियो में मेंशन किया है.
Yes.
और ये 12 नंबर जो आप देख रहे हो, दिस इज अ रैंप फॉर दिस ए एंड बी टावर.
ओके.
यस.
एंड अभी जो बिल्डिंग्स अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन है वो 1 and 2 है, राइट?
एग्जैक्टली. सो अभी का जो फेज है, सो वी आर कमिंग ऑन दिस सी एंड डी टावर. वी आर कमिंग अप विद सी एंड डी टावर.
ओके. तो ये अब ये क्या, अगर यहाँ पर किड्स प्ले एरिया है एंड ये टॉडलर है, आई सी अ सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ अ स्ट्रक्चर. ये क्या होने वाला है?
एग्जैक्टली ये जो है वहाँ पे इन फ्यूचर जाके कुछ छोटा एमिनिटीज वहाँ पे आएगा, लाइक किड्स प्ले एरिया और चिट चैट कॉर्नर. सो लाइक इट्स डिपेंड्स ऑन कि वहाँ पे ज्यादा हमारे प्रोजेक्ट में किस चीज की ज्यादा जरूरत है.
Right.
सो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली लाइक किड्स प्ले एरिया, लाइक चिट चैट कॉर्नर, उसी टाइप्स के कुछ एमिनिटीज वहाँ पे ऐड ऑन हो जाएंगे.
अच्छा. और हमने टावर सी और टावर डी के लिए ओपन कार पार्क की बात की.
एग्जैक्टली.
तो वो ये एरिया होगा?
एग्जैक्टली. मैं अभी आपको सारा एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ. जैसे कि मैंने बताया ये पूरा रेडी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है. सो वी आर कमिंग अप विद फेज 2. फेज 2 का जो एंट्रेंस है हम लोगों का, फेज 2 के लिए मेन एंट्रेंस है राइट साइड पे हमारा. फेज 2 के लिए एंट्रेंस होगा जो कि सी और डी में जाएगा.
ओके.
यस. वहाँ पे 12 नंबर पे आपको रैम्प दिख रहा है विच विल बी गोइंग अप टू पोडियम पार्किंग.
Okay.
जो कि हम लोगों ने 1 BHK के लिए ओपन रिजर्व पार्किंग दिया है. और 2 BHK के लिए भी हाँ गिवन कवर्ड कार पार्किंग,
अंडरग्राउंड पार्किंग.
अंडरग्राउंड पार्किंग. जो लाइक जैसे कि हम लोगों ने पहले भी बताया है, हमारा फेज 2 जो है वो बेसमेंट प्लस 15 फ्लोर का हमारा टावर है, जो कि भागोली में एक ही प्रोजेक्ट को सैंक्शन मिला है. वी कैन डू द 15 फ्लोर्स इन आवर प्रोजेक्ट.
राइट.
यस. सो आप ये जो स्पेस देख रहे हो, दिस इज फॉर पोडियम पार्किंग 1 BHK का ओपन पार्किंग रहेगा. और इवन यू कैन सी दिस स्पेस. दिस स्पेस कैन ऑल्सो यूज फॉर अ विजिटर पार्किंग.
ओके.
और किसी के पास एक्स्ट्रा व्हीकल हो, इवन दे कैन ऑल्सो यूज दिस स्पेस. यस.
एंड हाउ अबाउट दिस? ये वो लैंड है जो हमने ऊपर से देखी.
एग्जैक्टली. ये 16 नंबर जो आप देख रहे हैं, एंट्रेंस है. अगर आपको राइट साइड में आप देखते हो, सो दिस स्पेस वी हैव वैकेंट फॉर अ PMRD. एज पर गवर्नमेंट नॉर्म्स हम लोगों को वो जगह इन फ्यूचर डेवलपमेंट्स के लिए गवर्नमेंट को देना पड़ता है.
Okay.
तो हम लोगों ने ये स्पेस जो है वो गवर्नमेंट के लिए रिजर्व रखा है. तो इन फ्यूचर वहाँ पे जाके प्री स्कूल और आइदर हॉस्पिटल वहाँ पे फॉर श्योर आने वाला है.
ओके.
यस. और ये 17 नंबर है. लाइक एज पर जैसे ही हम लोगों का ये प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीशन हो जाएगा, तो वी आर प्लानिंग टू डिलीवर, लाइक वी आर कमिंग अप विद फेज 3.
ओके.
बट उसके लिए अभी टाइम है.
तो वो जगह सेफ रखिए.
यस. लाइक वी आर फॉर श्योर कि हम लोगों का ये 70% फ्लैट जो है ऑलरेडी सोल्ड आउट हो चुका है. तो हम लोग जल्दी ही ये फेज भी है वो जल्दी ही लॉन्च करेंगे.
ओके.
क्योंकि लाइक वी आर गेटिंग सो मेनी डिमांड्स फॉर फेज 3 एज वेल.
दैट्स रियली नाइस.
Yes. So like I would like to explain you about this C and D tower. ये जो टावर जो होंगे वो L शेप में होंगे.
ओके.
Yes. जैसे मैंने मेंशन किया है कि टोटल 15 फ्लोर होंगे, तो उसमें से 9 and 13 फ्लोर जो है हम लोगों ने रेफ्यूज एरिया के लिए रखे.
ओके. ओके.
Yes. जैसे कि हम लोगों ने मास्टर प्लान देखा है, वही हम लोग अभी आपको फ्लोर प्लान दिखा दे कि हमारा फ्लोर प्लान कैसे होगा. जो कि आप ये देख रहे हैं C विंग का फ्लोर प्लान है. और दिस इज फॉर ए D विंग.
यस.
ओके. अगर आप C विंग की तरफ देखते हो तो उसका पर फ्लोर जो है 8 यूनिट्स होंगे. जिसमें से उसमें से जो है 2 BHK जो होंगे वो 4 यूनिट्स होंगे और 1 BHK जो है वो 4 यूनिट्स होंगे. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो हमारे फ्लोर प्लान में, जो कि कॉर्नर में जो है वो 2 BHK है. और बीच में जो है वो 1 BHK के 4 यूनिट्स हैं.
राइट.
C बिल्डिंग में हमारे 2 लिफ्ट्स हैं और 2 स्टेयरकेस होंगे. यस. नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स आवर D विंग. D विंग में हमारे टोटल पर फ्लोर पे टोटल नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स 10 होंगे,
ओके
जिसमें से 5 BHK होंगे और 5 1 BHK होंगे। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो कॉर्नर में जो है वो 2 BHK है,
यस
और इन मिडल जो है वो 1
1
BHK है। उसमें भी अगेन सेम 2 लिफ्ट्स एंड 2 स्टेयरकेस होंगे।
ओके, पर ये पूरा 8 फ्लोर कनेक्टेड है, राइट?
Exactly.
तो 8 फ्लोर पे इन ऑल डी और सी मिला के 18 फ्लैट्स
18
होंगे।
फ्लैट्स होंगे।
ओके, एंड टोटल 8 फ्लोर पे 4 लिफ्ट्स है और 4
चार-
स्टेयरकेसेस है।
यस एग्जैक्टली।
ओके,
और जैसे कि मैंने ऑलरेडी मेंशन किया है, हमारा रेफ्यूज एरिया जो है वो 9 एंड 13 पे
13
होगा।
फ्लोर है। ओके,
यस, और जैसे कि वेंटिलेशन के वाइज देखा तो लाइक कि ये जो लाइक अब आउटर जो यूनिट्स देख रहे हैं विच इज गोइंग टू बी एज अ रोड फेस, और इनर फेसिंग जो आप देख रहे हो लाइक इनर यूनिट्स जो देख रहे हैं विच इज आर गोइंग टू बी अम्यूनिटी स्पेस।
राइट।
और आप यहाँ पे मास्टर प्लान में अगर देखते हो तो एल शेप है, तो वहाँ उसी हिसाब से मैंने ये फ्लोर प्लान रखा है फॉर योर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग।
ओके,
आई बिलीव यू अंडरस्टैंड लाइक
यस, इट इज द एल शेप।
एल
तो
शेप।
यहाँ पर वो सारी अमेनिटीज होंगी, यहाँ पर दूसरा फेज है, ए
Exactly.
फेज है, एंड ये सेकंड फेज है, तो
Yes,
दिस
and-
इज द एल शेप।
यस, एंड बीच में जो होगा हमारा पोडियम पार्क है, उसके साइड में जो है हमारा एमिनिटी
Amenities.
स्पेस होगा।
ओके,
यस, सो नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स आवर यूनिट। सो आप देख सकते हो ये 1 BHK का हमारा यूनिट प्लान है, जिसमें से अब हमारे यूनिट जो है वो ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट होंगे। यूनिट का एंट्रेंस जो है ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट फेसिंग होगा।
ओके,
So this is our entrance for a 1 BHK. 1 BHK का carpet as we have already mentioned is 470 square feet.
Yes.
And as well as हम लोगों ने 1 BHK का और एक छोटा अपार्टमेंट है, that carpet is 439 square feet.
ओके,
Yes. तो जैसे कि ये 1 BHK का यूनिट है, इसका एंट्रेंस जो है, एंट्रेंस का साइज जो होगा वो 5 by 4.9 का होगा।
ओके,
सामने ही आपको एक दीवार दिया जाएगी। दिस स्पेस कैन यूटिलाइज फॉर योर शू रैक।
ओके,
शू रैक के लिए आप ये स्पेस यूज कर सकते हैं। नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स आवर लिविंग एंड किचन एंड डाइनिंग स्पेस। सो दिस होल स्पेस एज फॉर लिविंग, किचन एंड डाइनिंग।
ओके,
So you can see the dimensions like it's 11.3 to 18.6.
राइट,
तो ये 11.3 होगा and this is going to be your 18.6.
ओके। तो ये एरिया किचन एरिया होगा।
किचन एरिया आपका, किचन एंड डाइनिंग। अगर आपको स्लैब वाइज चाहिए सो वी कैन कीप इट एज योर रिक्वायरमेंट। अगर आपको स्लैब यहाँ पे चाहिए तो वी कैन मेक इट हियर एज वेल, और इफ यू वांट हियर वी कैन मेक इट हियर एज वेल। यस, so like this is your common washroom. So like the sizes you can see like it's 5 by 8.
This is going to be 5 and this is 8.
8 exactly.
And connecting right to the bathroom is the bedroom.
Bedroom. Yes, the size for like bedroom is 10 by 10.8.
Okay.
Yes. Now we have
A balcony.
just given a one balcony. So this can be used as a dry balcony as well as a normal balcony.
Okay.
So we have provided the switches here, so you can put here dishwasher or
Washing
washing
machine.
machine. You can put it here. So like balcony, you can see the size. This is उसका जो area जो है, you can see
11.3 to
11.3.
3.5.
3.5.
Yes.
So this is like काफी अच्छा और
Spacious setup.
स्पेशियस बालकनी आप यहाँ पे हमारे प्रोजेक्ट में देख सकते हो, जो कि वागोली में आपको इतना बड़ा बालकनी और कोई प्रोजेक्ट नहीं दे रहा है।
Right.
यस, सो अगर हम लोगों ने एक ही बालकनी दिया है, उसका मैं रीजन आपको आगे जाके बताती हूँ।
ये 470 स्क्वायर फीट वाला है।
एग्जैक्टली, दिस इज अ 470 स्क्वायर फीट का हमारा प्लान है।
Okay.
नाउ जैसे 1 BHK का टाइप 2 होगा, उसमें से जो यूनिट प्लान जो विच विल बी अ सेम, बट उसमें से जो है थोड़ा सा रूम देख हमारा किचन डाइनिंग जो है वो थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है।
Okay.
अदरवाइज प्लान
तो रूम का जो एरिया है एंड बैल्कनी का एरिया इज गोइंग टू बी सिमिलर।
एग्जैक्टली।
ओके, ठीक।
सो नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स आवर 2 BHK प्लान। 2 BHK प्लान जो है लाइक जैसे ही हम लोगों का 1 BHK, सो वी हैव जस्ट एडेड वन मोर एक्स्ट्रा रूम, बट स्टिल आई एम गोइंग टू बी एक्सप्लेन यू हाउ अबाउट आवर 2 BHK यूनिट प्लान।
Okay.
So this is your main entrance. As like the main entrance for 1 BHK and 2 BHK is the same only. So like it's 5 by 4.9. So again we have provided one
Wall for your
wall
shoes stand.
here for shoe stand. So moving towards our living, dining and kitchen, the space for this is 11.3 to 18.6. So this is your 11.3 and this is 18.6.
Okay.
Again, the same balcony space we have given for a 2 BHK as well. So this is your common washroom. The washroom size is also again a same. Yes. ये हमारा kids bedroom या normal bedroom या guest bedroom, you can say anything. So the sizes of this bedroom is 10 by 10.8.
Okay.
Yes. और आप देखते हो कि शू रैक के अपोजिट साइड में एक दीवार का जो स्पेस है, like you can use this space for a wardrobe as well.
Okay.
If you want to keep it wardrobe inside as well, or like if you want to do some furniture or like अगर आपको wardrobe के लिए, you can utilize this space as well. So moving to our master bedroom. So master bedroom का size जो है 12.6 into 10.8.
Right.
12.6 into 10.8.
Yes.
So wardrobe के लिए जो space है वो अंदर ही दिया गया है. Even it's having their master washroom in the same
It's
master
connected.
bedroom only. Yes. And like one more USP of our unit. So like हम लोगों ने ये जो आप देखते हो,
Yes.
if you see this plan, so हम लोगों ने वहाँ पे wall नहीं दिया है. So this is totally covered with a glass.
Okay.
For your ventilation, आपका lights हो गया, तो इसलिए हम लोगों ने ये space जो है
तो ये full length windows होंगे.
full length windows in the sense कि 4 फुट का ग्लास का सेट होगा, उसके ऊपर जो स्लाइडिंग विंडोज होगा.
Okay.
So because of that we have just given a one balcony.
Okay.
If you want to like balcony का use जो है especially like tea, coffee or like evening chit chat, so like you can utilize this space. So
Okay.
because of that like कि as per like one balcony देके you can utilize this space, like जो space है वो अंदर ही अपनी यूनिट में आ गया. Like we have given a special feeling of स्वीट रूम. अगर आप कोई 5 स्टार होटल में जाते थे, सी द स्वीट रूम, उसका फीलिंग जो है हम लोगों ने बेडरूम में दिया है, जो कि
Okay.
लाइक और किसी प्रोजेक्ट में नहीं.
Okay.
यस. सो दिस इज आवर मेन यूएसपी एंड लाइक कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने हमारे पास जो क्लाइंट आते हैं, लाइक दे हैव मेंशन दिस थिंग्स.
Right. Okay.
एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस टू यू?
No, I think this has been a great help and काफी हद तक लोगों को समझ में आ गया है कि क्या है ये फ्लोर प्लान एंड आइडिया तो आ ही गई है कि ये प्रॉपर्टी कैसे होने वाली है.
I hope you understand this whole unit plan, yeah, even a floor plan and all about the project.
You have explained it very well. काफी डिटेल में आपने फ्लोर प्लान, मास्टर प्लान, यूनिट प्लान, हर एक चीज बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन की है. और आपने लोकेशन, इट वॉज वंडरफुल. आई डोंट थिंक किसी को ऐसे लगेगा ही कि हमने ये फ्लैट देखा नहीं है. जो भी वीडियो देखेगा उन्हें ऐसा लगेगा दे हैव गॉन थ्रू द होल टूर ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी विद मी. इट वॉज एक्सप्लेन टू द टी. थैंक यू सो मच अंकिता, यू हैव बीन अ ग्रेट हेल्प. थैंक यू शशांक, यू हैव बीन अ रियली ग्रेट हेल्प फॉर आवर व्यूअर्स. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It was a little different, but I know you guys must have enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, that is Nadir Nilgiriwala. And also contact the number given below, that is Nadir Nilgiriwala himself. He will be giving you all the details. And a little tip for you all, there is no brokerage we will be charging from the buyers because we are channel partners with Vascon. Thank you so much.